How's my hair look? Good? Cool. Hey guys, how's it going? It's Ray from CMA. And so right now, as I said in my earlier video today, I'm going to be working on the Roadrunner. So now, I've fit the quarter. Actually, let me back up. The quarter was on the car earlier today. I took the quarter off. I groomed up all the welds. I treated them, primed them, got everything ready to go. Sealed the patch that I had put on the outer wheelhouse. So if you remember, I put the 2-inch strip that runs along. I'm watching the video here. I put the 2-inch strip along the outer edge of the outer wheelhouse because I didn't want to replace the whole thing. Too intrusive, yeah, whatever. So today I sealed it. I put some seam sealer on the edge. Primed off all my bare metal. Everything's good. So now the quarter is back on the car. I got all my lines. I got everything back bolted on. Got a nice line down the deck lid. A nice line at the extension. So we're ready to go, guys. This quarter has been long waited to get welded on. Tonight's the night. So I'm gonna get the quarter welded on. I'm ready to go right now. So all I have to do is put on my helmet, click the on button for the welder, and we're ready to roll. So now, once the quarter is on, what I'm going to do is I have to, like I said, I have to play with the seam a little bit down at the bottom. It's hard to see in the picture, but the bottom of the door, right here, it squeezes in. Like I said, it's hard to tell. Maybe if I get closer. Yeah, you see it there. Okay, so that line there comes down, it squeezes. So I got to open that up. I got to play with the door edge. So that's the next step after the quarter gets welded on. So big step, big step. It's been a long time coming. A lot of work to do before the quarter goes on. This whole corner right in here had to patch this because it was rotted out. So like I said, a lot of work to do. But now it's ready to roll. It's ready to rock. It's good. So I'm signing off to finish welding this thing up, and guys, we'll see you tomorrow. Thank you guys, really, I appreciate so much you guys, your support, you're sharing my videos, commenting. So if you have questions, please don't hesitate to ask. I'm more than willing and happy to answer anything I can for you. If I don't have the answer, I will find it for you if I have the answer, and if it's just my opinion, whatever, I'll give that to you also. So anyway, I am on my way to welding this thing. Guys, have a great night, and we'll talk to you in the next video. See ya.